Hello guys, today's topic number 1 is JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What is JSON? JSON is a lightweight format for storing and transporting data. JSON is often used when data is sent from a server to a web page. JSON is a self-describing and easy to understand. In JSON, data is in name or value pairs. Data is separated by commas, curly braces hold objects, square brackets hold arrays. JSON data is written as name or value pairs just like JavaScript object properties. Let's get to the topic number 2, which is CSS icons. CSS icons come in scalable vector libraries that can be customized with CSS. So common libraries are Font, Awesome Icons, Bootstrap Icons, and Google Icons. To use the icons, just add a link to the icon library in the head section of your HTML page. Let's get into the next topic, which is topic number 3, Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile-first websites, and Bootstrap 5 is the newest version of Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5 supports all major browsers except Internet Explorer 11 and down. Note, if you require support for IE9 or IE8, you must use Bootstrap 3. The container class is one of the most important Bootstrap classes. It provides margin, padding, alignment, and more to HTML elements. There are some sizes to choose from in Bootstrap: SM small, MD medium, LG large, XL extra large, XXL extra extra large. If you want a column to act as a row and when it is on mobile it acts as a column, then you will give class call /SM. Our next topic is topic number 4, W3.CSS. It provides us with equality for all browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, IE, Safari, Opera. Equality for all devices: desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile. Standard CSS only, no jQuery or JavaScript library. W3.CSS is a modern CSS framework with built-in responsiveness. It supports responsive mobile-first design by default, and it is smaller and faster than similar CSS frameworks. And W3.CSS can also speed up and simplify web development because it is easier to learn and easier to use than other CSS frameworks. Now let's get to the next topic, which is our topic number 5, CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface, Command Line Interpreter, and Command Line Input. CLI is a command line program that accepts text input to execute operating system functions. In the 1960s, using only computer terminals, this was the only way to interact with the computers. In the 1970s and 80s, command line input was commonly used by Unix systems and PC systems like MS-DOS and Apple-DOS. Today, with graphical user interface, most users never use command line interface. However, CLI is still used by software developers and system administrators to configure computers, install softwares, and access the features that are not available in the graphical interface. Now let's head to the next topic, which is our topic number 6, NPM. NPM is the world's largest software library registry. NPM is also a software package manager and installer. The registry contains over 8 lakh code packages. Open source developers use NPM to share softwares. Many organizations also use NPM to manage private development. NPM is free to use. You can download all NPM public software packages without any registration or logon. NPM includes a CLI command line client that can be used to download and install software. Heading towards the next topic, which is our topic number 7, GitHub. GitHub is a code hosting platform for collaborations and version control. GitHub lets you and others work together on projects. GitHub essentials are repositories, branches, commits, pull requests. Git, the version control software GitHub is built on. Repository. A GitHub repository can be used to store a development project. It can contain folders and any type of files: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, documents, data, images. Branch. A GitHub branch is used to work with different versions of a repository at the same time. By default, a repository has a master branch, a production branch. Any other branch is a copy of the master branch as it was at a point in time. Commits. At GitHub, changes are called commits. Each commit or change has a description explaining why a change was made to it. Now, pull requests. Pull requests are the heart of GitHub collaboration. With a pull request, you are proposing that your changes should be merged, pulled in with the master. Pull requests show content differences, changes, additions, and subtraction in the color green and red. Let's get to the last topic of our video, which is our topic number 8, jQuery. jQuery is a JavaScript library. jQuery greatly simplifies JavaScript programming. jQuery is very easy to learn for beginners. With jQuery, you can hide and show elements with the hide and show method. Let's do a practical of the hide and show methods. Firstly, you will have to write a HTML like this. You will give 2 buttons with ID hide and ID show. disappeared.